Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead now and I am going to explode my assembly. The Summerdale Tsunami is ready to be brought to life. I'm going to do that. So, I'm in design. I have it all together. I'm changing from design mode to I'm going to animation. I'm going to come up here. I'm going to tap this transform button. I'm going to shift click both nails on one side. I'm going to click that one. Then I'm going to shift and click on that nail. Then I am going to drag that out. That looks like that's going 4 inches, which I think looks good. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to hit trail line visibility. See what that did. It added trail lines. So I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. I'm going to come up to my nav cube and go do the other nails 4 inches while I'm thinking about it. Click on that one and that one. I'm going to drag that out. I'm actually going to just go do it by eye. I'm going to go, let's see, 4. Oh, that's fine. I'm going to go ahead and that's going to be there. I'm going to go ahead and hit trail line visibility. I want that on for those. Now I'm going to transform my wheel. So I'm going to choose that one. I'm going to hit shift, click that one, and go right there. Hit OK. Now I'm going to hit cancel. I'm going to click over here, then I'm going to click on that wheel, shift click on that wheel, go up, tap transform, and I'm going to drag that out that way. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. Pretty easy to see. All I'm going to do in addition to that is I'm going to pull that steel, the steel weight, and I'm going to pull that back. Now I do not do trail lines because it only gives me one trail line. The reason being is when I extruded those, I extruded both holes at once, so that treats both of those as one common component, and I think it looks janky with one. I don't know. Yeah, I think it looks kind of janky, but I'll live with it. But here's an exploded assembly. It shows clearly how things are going together. All right. I'm going to go ahead and hit save at this point. Now I'm going to do a couple of things. So what I want is I want this as a drawing. So if I come up here and I go back to design, you'll see it's still together. It's only a part in that animation. So I want to go to drawing from animation. I need to be sure to change this to A paper because you're going to print this. I like it in landscape mode. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. I'll pause the video while, it came up quick. All right, I'm going to pop this on here for a second. I'm going to go back and change that size in a little bit. The idea is I'd like to make it 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.5. I want to make that bigger. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to stop the video. The next one I'm going to pick up, I'm going to manipulate this title block because honestly it's got a bunch of stuff I don't really need. All right, so I'm going to shrink this down to get myself some more room for this in the parts list.